And there's my turkey jerky sliced. We got some wild turkey breast for jerky. A little bit of vinegar. A little bit of hickory smoked salt. Paprika. White pepper. A little bit of cumin. Habanero heat wave hot sauce. Frank's Red Hot. Cayenne pepper. Chili powder. Good bit of chili powder. Make it like a chili flavored. I'll stir that up then, and I'll get some more chili powder. Crushed peppers. Some salt and pepper. And chili habanero hot sauce. We'll get that stirred up. Alright, I got it stirred up, and I'm going to add a little bit more chili powder. That's ready to go in the fridge to marinate. I'll see you guys at the smokehouse. There's my turkey jerky after I got it out of the smokehouse. Turned out awesome. Super, super awesome. I use this flavor a lot. Now I'll always make it. I love it. Thanks for watching.